Hi, communications friends. This is the sixth week of the semester, and we are cruising right along. For this upcoming week, our module is over Chapter 6, Language Development in Preschoolers. Here is everything you need. It looks like a lot, but there are a lot of links to other videos there. So let's dive in. You can see on the directions, the first thing I would like for you to do is listen to this week's lecture while filling out your notebook on pages 22 and 23. As you are taking notes on the lecture on page 22 and 23, after that, upload the picture onto Canvas. Next, you're going to read the chapter and find your top 10 quotes and put those on page 24 and 25. Take a picture and upload that to Canvas. And then I want you to read this Language Gap Pre-K, which is a PDF at the bottom of our module. And what I would like for you to do is summarize what parents should know about this topic. All I need is nothing less than a paragraph, no longer than a page. How would you communicate this to parents? We have to remember that you are the child's advocate, and most likely parents are reading this type of literature, and so it's our job to read the literature and inform the parents. The next thing I want you to do is observe, and I want you to record a preschool child's oral monologue by looking at YouTube. So you are going onto YouTube and finding a preschool child speaking. Don't choose one of those videos that are slightly newish over the past year or so when lines are being fed to the child, because that's not real, and we know that that little girl doesn't know half of what she's talking about. So really find a YouTube video of a child in preschool talking on their own. And what I want you to do then is I want you to analyze that child's speech patterns for presence of morphemic knowledge. And then I want you to place that on a discussion, and I'll show you where it is. Use your academic language in here. Show me you've listened to the lecture and you've read the text, and so drop in as much academic language that makes sense and sounds natural. Next, you are going to discuss. You're going to choose any Preschoolers Learning website. If you need help with one, email me. And you're going to identify any language development activities that the website contains. And then you're going to answer these questions, of course. You're going to post it in a discussion board, and make sure that you include the link to the website in your post. Same thing with up here. We want to see the child speaking, but include that link to the website in your post. Make sure someone else hasn't already done the website. Most of the time you can't see what your peers are commenting until after you've made that initial post. This one's different. You can see what posts have been made. So if you want to do a specific website, get on it now before someone else takes it. Remember, you're using your academic language. You are citing the text from your original discussion, maybe some of those top 10 quotes that you picked out from your textbook, and then of course you are going to comment on at least 2 other peers' original posts. So let's see where everything's being turned in here. So those are the directions. Here's the 10 powerful quotes that you've written on your note page on page 24 and 25. Taking a picture, put that up. Here's lecture 6. Here is the notes that you took over the lecture on 22 and 23. You're going to write those, take a picture, and put them up there. This is observation number 6, and so this is where you are putting the link to the video that you're critiquing the preschoolers' language development. And then here's the discussion board right here. Again, this is where, someone's already done it. This is where you are going to upload your learning website. If you're looking for Nick Jr., it's already been taken. And then the discussion there. And then you can see all these links down here. All of these 2 WUG tests, Where the Wild Things Are, Super Why, all 3 of these things are videos that you'll have to pause the lecture for and watch. This right here is that Language Gap Pre-K article, that PDF, and then this is where you are writing your summary between a paragraph and a page on what you would tell parents, and then of course your Chapter 6 quiz. I hope everyone is having a great semester. You're learning a lot about children and the way that they communicate and listen and speak. If you guys need anything, as always, please call, text, email, and I will help you with anything y'all need. Hope you're having a great semester.